It's okay. The old pages, right? Not so that's not the new stuff, right?
That's like number.
So this is your practicing, right? Today is the 8th, right?
Yeah.
So let me grab a pen.
Did you lose your pen again?
No, it should be somewhere. I was using it here. Yeah, right.
Somewhere hidden in the mountain.
Yeah, I was just using this for my other student. So today is the 15th. No.
It's the
8th. I mean, I was already thinking about next week. So
It's not.
next week will be 15th. So you have starting from tomorrow.
And next Tuesday is Valentine's Day. Which is going to be exciting. I get to make a mailbox.
What are you going to make?
A mailbox.
So, theory lesson 12, right?
This
one. You were supposed to write fingering here in this.
Oh, whoops.
See that right hand fingering, left hand fingering. So you will fix it. But I think we have 8 fingers.
Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so you'll have to actually play, practice, and then you have to figure out fingering. It's G major, not C major. Right? So you'll take care of that. So, and then we're gonna go to the next one too. Number 13. So here we are in G major. So here's the scale of it. Right? So, and we have 3 main chords. The first chord, we're building from the first step, from G. It's a first step chord, G, B, D. The next chord will be building from the 4th step. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not sharp, right?
No, we don't have C sharp. So there's going to be C, E, G, so C chord. And the next one we will be building from D. So it's D, F sharp, A. So this one is D major chord. So we have G, C, D. So this one is first step chord, 4th step chord, 5th. So we use Roman numerals. Okay, got it? So what you need to do here, you'll answer these questions. Then right here, you're going to write those chords the way they're written here. Then here you will point out the keys. The bass, yeah. So, and then here you're going to, what was that? I'm not sure what you did just now. Nothing? So here you will need to find where we're going to have those chords. So the first one is G, B, D. So you'll find G, B, and D.
So I write the name G, B, D.
Yeah, the names and the notes. Okay. And then here you need to identify, part of it is not there. So it's not just the which, but also this one is G major chord. Okay. So this one you're going to write the number. Is it 1st, 4th, or 5th? And then you're going to write, is it G, C, or D?
Okay.
Got it? So the root, the bottom note, gives us the name for the chord. Okay. So 12 and 13 for me. Okay.
12, 15.
Okay. So we have, let's put this away. So we have 5 by memory, 6 by memory, 7 start memorizing. Spanish Caballero,
That one's fun.
shave and a haircut. And then page 20th and 21st.
Those are just
exercise. Okay, so we're going to start with 5. Things here in this book are harder, right?
And there's metronome to that one.
A.
For a quarter one.
We'll we'll play without
Oh,
it. This is
and
just
will
for.
we need this?
Well, let's start with what we have here. Just there. We might. It's a good book. I like it. So right now I'm gonna turn it off, and let's play.
I think I'm too on the chair. Is this?
That's actually for you to decide. So that's also one of the things. Kind of with experience, it will be easier and easier, right? So see if it feels good. Okay. Are you ready? Mm-mm. Make sure your hands are clean. It's not sticky. Whatever you were.
It's not sticky.
It's not sticky. Okay. All right. And then technically go back, right? So let's try to be faster this time. Make sure that here you connect the right hand notes. Even if we lift left hand, the right hand we can easily connect here.
I worked pretty hard on that one.
And then also don't forget to release right hand here when we have the note, left hand note, so we have rest, right? So, but we're gonna try it faster. Like this. Ready? Right hand up. Yeah, good. No, right hand connecting. Left hand up. Left hand go up. Yes, exactly. Good job. Very good. Sit tall, close to the piano.
And then.
So we're done with this one. And then 6 is also from memory, right?
Yeah, I really like 6.
6. What is 6?
I could have it finished
Walk in the
it
park.
last time, but I had to do U shapes.
Okay,
Which I
let's do
forgot.
that. Alright, let's see. Very good.
And then we're done with last time.
Beautiful U shapes.
Because last time I had to do U
Yeah,
shapes
beautiful.
and I forgot them.
Yeah, so it makes a huge difference. 7, you just were supposed to start more, I think. So how did it go?
It was pretty good. Except sometimes...
May I ask you to take it down a little bit?
Papa, you're singing up.
So it's
so it was like it was pretty good, but sometimes the notes I got kind of confused. But I was it was fine other than sometimes I got notes.
Because there's some tricky parts, right? So I'm gonna put the book in front of you, but you're gonna try to play from memory, and we'll see how it's gonna go.
Sometimes if I think I can memorize this part, I usually just turn my head or close my eyes.
It's okay. You don't have to close. You just look at your fingers if it's like, okay? Let's try. And we use 2. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay, good. So finish memorizing next time. All right. So fingering notes, counting is pretty easy here, right? No U shape, just kind of blowing motion, right? So 7.
Rolling.
Like rolling. That's memory. Rolling. Make sure your fingering is correct. But that's what we okay. So I think I'll be grading next time for this. Okay. So and then we're gonna start a new one probably, right? 2 new ones?
Because we can't only have 2 exercises.
Okay, we're gonna start 2 new ones, little by little. So one is on my skateboard. So let's take
I
a
never had a skateboard.
so the technique that we use here, where do I put hooks? Oh well, it's yeah. So first we're kind of falling down, or I would say drop, then march, then release, then drop, then march, then release, and then like woodpecker. So let's try not too fast. Woodpecker. Yeah. So drop.
I need to find.
Yeah, that's a good point. Absolutely. Right. Yes, exactly. That's A. All right, here we go. Drop. Then, well, make sure your arm is absolutely relaxed. So. I'll start probably a little bit slower since we're playing this for the first time. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, up. The right hand. 1 and also drop and 1, 2, 3. Next. 1. Don't assume. You actually have to find the notes. Left hand as well. 1. Good job. Then 1, 2, and 3, and so drop. 1. Fingers close together. things ahead, so then you don't need to. Besides, we ended on this note, which is used different taller fingers still, right hand wrist. One, drop, drop, good. One. Left hand. Left hand stays. So drop. Up. That's down. This was from G. This one is from. Are you sure it's higher than this? Are you sure it's here? Right. Up. No, left hand staying because we need to connect to the next one. No, you have to go back into this. You have to go back because you didn't connect this. Right up, left hand not. So right hand up in the air, left hand connection. See that? Jump. It's not a V. Now I do see occasionally you do this, so tell me what's wrong with it. The taller wrist is always gonna be much better, right? Okay, so
tall wrist means tall pinky.
Most of the time, I think pink is the one that's causing the problem usually, right? So usually make it tall. Now let's try number 9. Let's do that.
That's strange.
That's right. So figure out the nose, take your time fingering everything. I see 1, 2, 5.
1,
2.
Oh, that stretches like much better.
Of course, absolutely. 1. Then G chord, G major chord, right hand G major chord. Now you know, and the left hand G major scale. 1 and 2 So let me go back.
Goes back to that weird silly.
It's different thing this time. It's 1, 3, 5. G, C, E. Yeah, this is different. Yeah, here we go. And tall fingers. Always tall fingers. And left hand back. So this one is exactly the same as the first one, so we don't need to play. Let's go to this one.
Okay.
So this is going to be 1, 3, 5 here, right? So the chord here is same as this one. Okay.
So the chord is the same.
And the left hand starts the same way, but then it ends a little bit different. Okay. So if we know it's similar, then it's much easier to find, right? Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. You didn't finish 3 and 2 and 4 and now we go to 1, 2, 5, same chord as we have here. 1, 1, 2, 5. So look, this chord that we have, this kind of thing. So it's all part of C major chord. So here's C major chord. So if we rearrange notes a little bit, we have, instead of C, E, G, we have E, G, C, right? So then we got this chord. Now we can rearrange notes to G, C, E, even though it consists of the same note. Now we got this chord. But these are all part of the C major chord. We call this inversion. So someday we'll be studying that. So root position, first inversion, second inversion. Root. And of course we can do that for any chord, like D major. Yeah, so we call this inversions. Okay, so you have 8 for next time and 9. Both of these are new.
Amazingly new.
Yeah.
But they're really good.
Yes.
I like them.
They're very nice. I'm telling you honestly, the more advanced usually means also it would sound good, sound better, most of the time. Okay. All right. So let's go to Spanish Caballero, shave and haircut, and then 2021, whatever that 2021 is.
2021.
Yeah, so
I think I'll just call it exercise.
Can I see this book again? The purple.
You starred the ones that.
What is it?
You starred it.
Oh, I started. Okay. That's excellent. Okay, that's good. Not too many, right? Dance. Okay. They're not too difficult. We can start playing that.
What's this?
Little skeleton? That's okay. We might play this dance. It's not too difficult.
Are you gonna play the hunt?
We will someday, yeah, soon. Yeah, we're gonna start adding things from here. This one is a little bit harder.
The song
without words, right? So let's try this one, the dance.
Is it?
Okay, new, something new. So we're in F major, and we have F major chord on left hand a lot. So can you find that F major chord? Let's see if you can figure it out. Even if we don't look into the music, can you figure out the F major chord just by looking at the keys? Here we go. Yeah. So we have lots of those chords. Okay. So here it is. Right. So here it is, here it is, here it is, and then things will change a little bit. So can you figure out? So fingering is 5, 4, 2, 1.
Oh wow! I've never seen 4 in a chord.
Right. So and then here we don't have any B's on this one. We only have B flats. So in one of the notes here on this chord is a B. So it's not going to be B. It's going to be B flat. So let's start from the bottom. F. Next one. G. B flat. B flat and D. Now let's combine them together. No, there's no A, but there's an F G. Alright. So and it's going to be staccato. So yeah, it's not so difficult, right?
I can't play chord.
Okay. So here we have this chord. Now this is very similar, but what's different between this chord and these?
Neutral.
Natural, right? Here we go. Alright. Then we have another one. And then we have back to F major. Right? And now the top stays, the 2 bottom notes going down.
Wait, each note goes down 1 step.
Yep. Now again, the top stays, the 2 bottom notes go even lower, 1 step down. Now they go back 1 step up, and then they go back to F major chord. See, if you know the pattern, it's just much easier to play, okay? Alright, so let's try both hands together in a slow tempo. It doesn't need to be fast. This will be section 2.
Of course I need sections.
Of course, we all need sections. What kind of music is it? There's no section. Okay, let's try. Lots of staccatos. 1, 2, 3. So read the note. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, G, 3, 4, 1. Come on. 1. Button 3, no. 1, 2, 4. Now remember this chord with the B flat on left hand. 4-note chord. Here we go. Now right hand. No B's. 1, 2. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Now same thing, but we cancel B flat. 1. You can hear we cancel. See that? 2, 4, 1, 2. The rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then
it is something.
1, 2, 3. Rest. Now the bottom note is going down. 1, 2, 3. Now the bottom goes down. 1. No, it's the top stays. 1. It's still the same. It's a C. 2. Then it goes back. And lots of F. F major chord. We're back to F. Long. 1. Yeah.
That wasn't very bad.
That's not too difficult, right? Because after playing this X.
I feel like that one's easy, but it's in really.
So what we're doing, we're reading notes now. We don't have positions, right? So dance both hands together. Don't forget B flat, right? Don't forget.
Of course, I can never forget.
Right. Don't forget to count. Don't forget we have lots of staccatos. And always search for the patterns, right? Okay. So let's go to Spanish Caballero. So we're playing one song from the book. That's great. All right, let's go.
You have to write it down. Yeah.
That's a new book?
It's a new book. Okay. New book! Exclamation mark.
Okay. Here we go. All right.
I brought this one just in case.
Good. I'm glad.
Because the last time I accidentally forgot it.
Okay.
Which was kind of
all right. Well, that's why we're starting. Okay, that's great. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, now let's turn notes. 1, 2, 3. Dingle, dingle, dingle. 1, 2. Okay.
I like this one.
Do you like this song?
Yeah. I've been practicing for 4 or 5 weeks.
Well, it's a good